Here's a run through of the 16-ounce soda can animation in Photoshop. The first thing to do is to navigate to wherever you save the zip files for this animation. Now there are three versions. There's the curved straw, straight straw and steel straw. So let's go with the curved straw. Now I've left the top layer off, but when you open the file you'll probably see it like this, where it says space saving layer, please delete. That's just the top layer, which is there just to make the file sizes smaller when you save them. So you can go to the eye icon there and turn that off, or drag the whole layer into the bin. And then you can see the tumbler or the mock-up. And step one is to add your design. To do that, you go to this layer here which says step 1, double click smart object to add design. So you can either double click that, or you can select the layer and go layer smart objects, edit contents. And then step 2 is to double click this smart object to add your design. So find on your hard drive your particular design that you want to use. I'll pause this because I'll try and find something. Okay, so when you've found your design, now obviously mine isn't actually, I'm doing this on the fly, so mine isn't actually the right size, so let's just make something just to illustrate what we're doing. When you've placed your design on there, close this smart object by clicking on the cross there, and remember to say yes here. And again, close this one as well and say yes here. And there you'll see the design on the glass. Now if you were to scroll through, you could see the animation. You can press space on your keyboard and it'll start building the animation for you. You'll see its progress here. If you don't want the shadow, you can turn the shadow off. If you want to replace the background with your own background, just double click this bottom layer here and then file, place embed your own design. So let's just pretend we've done that. Let's do and then close that when you're ready. Say yes. There you go, your background will be there. When you're actually ready to produce the video, what you need to do is go to this icon here in the top right of this timeline panel. Incidentally, if you haven't got the timeline showing when you open the mock-up, it's Windows timeline, so if this is all missing, it's in there. When you're ready to create the video, go to render video. There's various settings. I tend to leave it on the default. You just need to select a file name and a destination where you want to save it, and then click render, and that's all there is to it.